Okay, we have a Hwacheon engine lathe, 24-inch swing, 120-inch centers, model HL630. It has a new all digital readout, a 4-jaw chuck, Dorian tool post with holders, 2 steady rests, roller type, one 20-inch capacity, one 11-inch, a taper turning attachment. You can see here that there's a wire harness and coolant harness that's all complete. It has a foot brake in the front, inch metric threading, and we're going to run her for you. Machine is serial number 260866. It's new in 2003. That's the rapid traverse. Both directions. Machine's very quiet. The bed is super clean. It's feeding right now. You can also see it on the digital readout. Let's feed again the longitudinal. You can see that again on the digital readout. Okay, and we can also thread. You have a thread dial indicator too. And we have a foot brake. Let's run some other speeds. Oh, that's the reverse. The spindle speed ranges from 27 all the way up to 1205. That's quite fast. We're going to slow her down for you a bit, but you can see there's no gear noise or anything in any speed. So all the speeds are quiet. We want to do one more feed rate. The speed. Okay. Reverse and forward again. The tag for the year is here. Again, showing the machine is new in 2003. Thank you for watching the video.